chords and everything of the song, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification bell so you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, if you have not followed me on my Instagram yet, then please follow me on my Instagram. Links are in the description. Now without further ado, let's move to the video. Okay, so let me tell you the chords first. We are using G, G, B, D, C, C, E, G, E minor, E, G, B, and D, D, F sharp, A. Okay, these four chords we are using in the song. If I'm forgetting any chord, I will write up there. Now let's move to the video. Okay, so first we have a whistling tune. So come on, B. So first I'm going to play it and then I'll slow it down. So it's like, okay, so how are we gonna play it? Come on, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then from G, 1, 2, 3. Come on, G and E. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First time we will stop here, and the second time we will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the first stop on E, second stop on G. Now let's play song. So the song will start from G and say, come on, F sharp. Come on, B. Okay, then from here, then again same. Come on, F sharp. Come on, B. Then we have so G, F sharp, E, then then from here, no, come on, E, let me just say it now. So let me just say it. Come on, E, now. Then again, and come on, B. Come on, B. Then nani mori ko beki as a chum. Come on, just A simply, and nani mori ko deki as a chum chui dum dum. Okay, so then ta 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 ta. Now let's play the music. So now we have this tune. So we're gonna play it. Come on, B. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, A, G, E, B, A, G, E. That time, come on, B again. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, C, D, A. Then G, A, B, G, E. So our whole tune is like 1, 2, 3, 4. B, A, G, E. Come on, B again. B, C, D, A. G, A, B, G, E. So this is how we're gonna play. Now let's 영까지 고로또는 내선 결국 이게 다 널 위한 거야 담담담 so 담담담. Okay, then again 순순하네 눈빛 보고 종말이 걸리지 말고 let's play 담담담. Okay, then Folly money. Come on, F sharp. Come on, G again. 양이 적어서. Yeah. Now come on, G again. From here, 보내줄 때. Then from G, 못 잡아요. Then from here, 너무 무서워. Oh, so 너무 무서워. Oh. Now we have rap. Okay, now we have rap and then we have our main chorus. So we can play rap, but I will tell you the rap chords. So let's skip the rap part. We will play chords on rap and then we have our chorus. Now let's play the last part. So it's like hey dum dum. So come on, A. So hey dum dum. 내가 사랑에 빠진 건. Then come on. 내게 하게로 dun dun. Then again. Hey dum dum 이제 애쓰지 않아도 tell me that I'm the one. Then 나니 머리 끄덕이에서 춤추이 dum dum. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's play with our both hands. Again. I ain't got time for that. Try to act and refine it back over and over. Show's over. Take a leave. Let's make love or make believe. Then again. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Bye bye everyone.